of the holidays is the cookies, and here's some bacon tips courtesy of Better Homes and Gardens.
And this might be a really good time to talk about cookie sheets because there's a lot of different types of cookie sheets out on the market. Manufacturers sometimes will label what we consider to be a jelly roll pan, and that might be old terminology, but the jelly roll pan is a rimmed baking sheet. It's a 15 by 10 and it has edges. And we consider a cookie sheet to actually have one edge so that you can handle it easily, but then it doesn't have any other rims. And that helps to let the air circulate evenly and you get really nice browning. Now, like everything these days in bakeware and cookware, there's also non-stick versions available. And you could do these cookies on a non-stick surface without parchment, and you still probably would do just fine. But the parchment, if you don't have a non-stick, really helps to protect. Most cookie sheets are made out of aluminum. It's a very durable metal, and it heats up quickly so that your cookies are set and they don't spread. And it cools quickly so that you can do batches really easily. You know, your pan will cool down so then your cookie doesn't start to melt when you do your second batch on the pan. Sometimes you will see air insulated cookie sheets on the market, and those really give you a very gentle heat. It's good for a delicate cookie, but it's not the best for a cookie that you really want to crisp at the edges or brown the bottom so that you have a crunchy bite.